The CCM web portal allows you to run reports for your contact center solution. Hover over reports to be able to access the different types of reports. Voice reports are used for phone queues and agents. Email reports are used for email queues and email agents. Chat reports are used for chat queues and chat agents. SMS reports are used for SMS queues and SMS agents. Open media reports are used for open media queues and open media agents. IVR routing provides reports on ports, DNS, and callbacks if they have been configured on your solution. WFS. Workforce scheduling reports are only applicable if you have purchased the workforce scheduling module and it has been configured on your solution. Speak to your system administrator. Additional costs may apply. Traffic analysis reports provides data on console attendance and route traffic only if these are configured on your solution. Multimedia reports are reports which combine statistics across multiple media types such as voice, email, chat, SMS, and open media. Speak to your system administrator to create the multimedia groups for reporting purposes. Workflow reports are accessible only if workflow condition reports have been enabled on your solution. Lifecycle reports provide cradle-to-grave reporting from when a call enters the phone system until it leaves. Lifecycle must be enabled on your solution in order to run these reports. Conversation detail reports are multimedia-related reports detailing how interactions are handled through the system. Conversation detail must be enabled on your solution in order to run these reports. Administrative employee reports shows details of an employee's profile only if this has been configured on your solution. Flexible allows you to run reports that were created in the Flexible Reporting application. Speak to your system administrator if you require flexible reporting to be installed. Scheduled reports allows you to create schedules to automatically run and distribute reports to your email address. See the video on scheduled reports. Agent reports are used for reporting on individual agents. You can select multiple agents at a time by holding down Control on the keyboard. Each agent data will be presented as a separate report. The majority of agent reports looks at the interactions the agent has handled regardless of which queue or path the interaction came from. Agent group reports are used for reporting on groups of agents. The agent groups are based on the configuration of your system and are associated with queues to handle incoming interactions. You can select multiple groups at a time by holding down Control on your keyboard. Agent group reports presents data of multiple agents within the group. Queue reports are used for reporting on individual queues. You can select multiple queues at a time by holding down Control on the keyboard. Queue reports looks at the interactions that have entered a specific queue or path. Queue group reports are used for reporting on groups of queues. The queue groups are manually created. Speak to your IT system administrator to create a queue group for reporting purposes. Extension reports are for extensions which have been licensed for Business Reporter. These are different to contact center reports. Speak to your system administrator to confirm if this is possible for your solution. Additional costs may apply. Trunk reports identify how busy the trunks are on your system. This is dependent on certain configuration. Employee reports provides data on employees and employee groups. Employee groups need to be manually configured on the system. Dns Reports identifies calls to particular dialed numbers. This is dependent on certain configuration on your system. Team Reports provides data on teams configured on your system. These are manually created. Speak to your system administrator to create a team on the solution. Forecast reports use historical data to predict future traffic volumes, patterns, and agent requirements. Account code reports provides data on classification and account codes that are configured on the solution. Callback reports provides data on callbacks that have been presented to the agents. This is dependent on having callbacks configured on your solution and having advanced IVR ports. Speak to your system administrator. Additional costs may apply.